So let's say we have a question that says 4n equals, let's say, 32. What it's saying is that you've got a group of n, a group of n, a group of n, so you've got 4 groups of n. So there's 1n, 2n, 3n, 4n, right? How do we get rid of 4 groups?
You have to divide 32 by 4.
Okay, so we got to divide the groups by 4 first. So we want to be able to get single n by itself. So if we have 4 groups of something, in order to figure out how much is in one group, we divide by whatever the amount of groups are, right? So we're going to divide by 4, and what we do to one side, we do to the other. So if we show the cancellation of these and these cancel, these cancel, these cancel, it leaves us with how many n's? It leaves us with 1 n. So we've got n is equal to 32 over 4, or divide by 4. And n is equal to whatever our answer is, and you said it was 8. All right, now what happens though if we have this? If we go to the next page here and we have, let's say, I'm going to say b plus 6 equals negative 15. What do I do with the plus 6?
Take it away and it goes to subtract.
So if I was to rewrite this, it would be b plus 6.
Plus 6 equals, so it would have to be negative
minus
6,
b plus 6 minus 6 to show
minus
canceling
6
out.
and then minus 15.
Equals minus 15, and what I did to one side, I got to do the other, so I got to go minus 6 there too. And that cancels out, because positive 6 and negative 6 together equals 0. B equals negative 15 minus 6. B equals what? Negative 15 minus 6, so it's 15, not 21.
Oh.
Let's say you spent $15, and then you spent another 15. How much have you spent total?
30.
15, and then you spent another 6.
21.
So you're negative 21, not 21.
Oh,
Those
yeah.
are two different numbers, okay? Just don't forget that negative. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. What happens if we have, let's say we have c minus 4 equals, let's say 118. What do I do with that minus 4?
You turn it into, and you go to add it.
Try and make it to
You have
0.
to add
So c minus 4
plus
Plus 4.
plus 4
and
equals,
equals 8. Or no.
It equals 0.
Yeah.
well, this equals 0, you're right. That equals 0, those cancel.
Yeah.
But what I did to one side, I have to. So what did I have on this side?
Plus 4.
I have to add 4 to the other side. Good. So that gives me, I'm just rewriting the question, c equals 118 plus 4. C equals 122 is the answer. All right, good. So what I'm seeing you do, you're recognizing that you see that piece right there, and you're getting rid of that first to get the variable by itself. We want the variable all alone on one side, which is what you've done.
Yeah, and then it cancels out that, and then you go to the other side.
Yes, that's called isolating the variable, and that is exactly what algebra is supposed to do and what it's supposed to look like. All right, so that's Jackson, Mitchell, and Ethan.